Real Estate License Exams for Dummies. Part 5. You want how much? Validation and Financing of Real Estate. Chapter 14. Appraising Properties. Question and answers. Exam questions you're likely to get about appraising are definitional questions and some application questions. Memorization and the terminology and knowing the math will get you through the exam. Question number 1. What approach of value would be most suitable to appraise a shopping center? A. Income approach. B. Cost approach. C. Sales comparison approach. D. Reconstruction approach. Correct answer is A. Real estate that is purchased for investment, such as a shopping center, is appraised using the income approach. Question number 2. The direct sales comparison approach. What type of adjustment should you make when the comparable is better than the subject? A. A positive to the subject. B. Negative to the subject. C. Positive to the comparable. D. Negative to comparable. Correct answer is D. 2 things to remember here. First, you never adjust the subject, only the comparable. Second, when the comparable is better than the subject, you adjust it. Adjustment is negative. Question number 3. A buyer who buys the least expensive house available and satisfy his needs is behaving according to what economic principle? B. Supply and demand. That was A. Supply and demand. B. Anticipation. C. Progression. D. Substitution. Correct answer is D. Substitution. Note that this is the short case study question. The test also asks straight definition questions about these economic principles. Reproduction cost is A. The cost of income approach to value. B. The cost to construct a building using modern materials. C. The cost to construct an exact duplicate of the building. D. The same as market value. Correct answer is C. The cost to construct an exact duplicate of the building. Reproduction cost is exact replacement of the structure. Replacement cost is a structure having the same utility, usefulness, but using different materials. Question number 5. The rent on a house is $500 per month. The gross rent multiplier is 180. What is the estimated value of the house? A. $270,000. B. $1,080,000. C. $36,000. D. $90,000. Correct answer is D. $90,000. Gross monthly rent times gross rent multiplier equals the value. So $500 times 180 equals 90. Don't multiply the rent by 12. This formula is based on a monthly rent. Question number 6. If a building net operating income is $1,000 a month and the appraiser uses the rate of return of 10%, what is the estimated value of the building using the income capitalization rate? A. $100,000. B. $1 million. C. $120,000. D. $1,200,000. Correct answer is C. $120,000. Correct answer is C. I divided by R equals V. 12,000 divided by 10% expressed as 0.1 equals 120,000. That's 120,000. Remember that the income capitalization approach, you always use the annual income. So the first step is to multiply the monthly income by 12. Test writers also sometimes use the term property to mean any type of real estate. They also use the term of rate of return to mean a capitalization rate. Don't be thrown off by these references. Question number 7. The reproduction cost of a house is estimated to be 120,000. Its economic life is 50 years. Its estimated age is 20 years. What is the depreciation value of the house? A. 72,000. B. 48,000. C. 60,000. D. 96,000. Correct answer is A. 72,000. Read the question carefully. That goes for all questions, and make sure that you do every step. 1 divide economic life equals the rate of depreciation per year. That's 1 over 50 equals 2% per year. Rate of depreciation per year, an effective age, a total rate of depreciation. So that's 2% times 20, which equals 40%. Reproduction or replacement cost at total rate of depreciation equals total amount of depreciation. The 120,000 times 40% expressed as 0.4 equals 48,000. Reproduction or replacement cost minus the total amount of depreciation equals the depreciation value. So 120 minus 48 equals 72. Question number 8. The subject property has 4 bedrooms. The comparable has 3 bedrooms and sold for 160. In all other respects, the properties are alike. The value of the 4th bedroom is estimated to be 20,000. What is the indicated value of the subject? A. 180,000. B. 160,000. C. 80,000. D. 140. Correct answer is A. If a comparable is worse than the subject, you add the adjustment value to the comparative. The comparative has 1 less bedroom than the subject, so you would add the 20,000 value to the bedroom to the comparable. Question number 9. A comparable sold for 110,000 5 months ago. The estimated that real estate values have been rising at 1% per month during that period of time. How much is the identical house worth today? A. 5,500. B. 116,000. C. 104,500. D. 115,500. Correct answer is D. 115,500. 5 months times 1% per month equals 5%. 110,000 times 5% expressed as 0.05 equals 5,500. So 110,000 plus the 5,500 equals 115,500. Question number 10. What appraisal approach would an appraiser most likely use to appraise a sports arena? A. Cost approach. B. Income capitalization approach. Gross rent multiplier approach. D. Sales comparison approach. Correct answer is A. Cost approach. Sports arenas are fairly unique, and you can seldomly find comparative sales. Stadiums also are built as a service type building rather than investment property. The cost approach most often is used for unique real estate. Thank you very much, and that was part 5. You want how much? Validation and financing in real estate. Chapter 14, appraising property. Question and answers. Thank you.